Hey guys, it's Tara from Teaching on Lemon Lane. I wanted to hop on here and show you a quick tutorial about how to put your students' cute little face with a transparent background into their ugly sweater design. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm showing you right now is just an example of one of the templates. You'll notice here I've got the instruction page. This is the link that we're going to use. I've already clicked on it and opened it up here, but this is one of the places that you can grab the links as well as on the template. So let's go ahead and we'll just start with this one here. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to zoom out so that we can see kind of all of our little applications here. The steps for this is in the step it up a notch. So before we start, I'm going to assume that your students have either uploaded a picture of their face to the device, or they can go ahead and use their insert image camera and take a picture that way. I've already got one saved that I'm going to use, so we will start with that. So what we are going to do, we've got to remove the background from it before we insert it in here. So we're going to come up here to the remove background, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on upload image and go to my downloads, and I've got one here that I think will work great. So I'm going to go ahead and click open after I've selected it, and it's automatically going to bring it up here and start uploading it, and it's going to remove the background all on its own. Magic. That's what I needed. So I go ahead and click download, and that saves it to my device. Now I'm going to come back to my slide, and you can either drag and drop it. You can also come here and go insert image, upload from computer, and here's my file where it's been removed right there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now that I'm working closer to my sweater. And what we're going to do now is we need to send this to the second to last layer. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to click Arrange, Order, Send to Back. Before I do that, the students may need to crop their picture. In order to crop the picture, you're going to double click it. So double click. Here's my crop lines. And it'll be easiest if you just crop right up to the neck. And I'm going to single click out of that. So now I'm going to send this to the back. So I click. I'm going to come up here to Arrange, Order, Send to Back. You'll notice that it's behind my background now. So I'm going to click over here on my background. Now that I've selected my background, I'm going to send that to the back. So Arrange, Order, Send to Back. Now the picture or their face is the second to last layer there, and I can go ahead and move it just behind my sweater. I can scale it by single clicking and pulling it out and making it just a little bit larger so it's a bit more to scale, and I'm just going to pull it down just like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit. From that point, we can go ahead and actually start editing the sweater. I'll zoom out one more time so I can show you how we do the steps. So step one is you pick the head. We did the step it up a notch by inserting a picture. Step two is where we start to embellish the sweater or kind of design the sweater. Step three is where we add a little bit of magic. Step four, we can add accessories and get fancy. And step five, we can change the background. So we're on step two. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in again. To change the sweater, all you're going to do is single click on one of the sections of the sweater, come up here to replace image, search the web, and you can search for whatever you want. Let's do a Christmas pattern. Background. I've added a Google search word bank right here. Adding these words to your search is going to give you better results. So let's see, we came here again, click on single click, replace image, search the web, and here's my patterns. This one's fun. I double click or I can single click and then hit replace, and it automatically puts it in there. So again, single click, replace, search the web. I'm going to do a candy cane pattern. And I double click. I'm going to go ahead and pause this as I put in the rest of this because we're about out of time.